Kia ora, talofa and Fodja. Welcome to another Re-Raw events video. Today, myself and Laura have a bit of a mission on for the Shebeen. We're heading up the road to pick up some local products. I'm not going to say what it is yet, but it's all got to do with our Ōpuke Beer and Food Truck Fridays. So hang tight and we'll see how we jump on and get Laura moving this old girl up the road. You fancy that?
Yep.
Yeah, no bother to you. Yeah. Take that one. Yeah, to your left. Yeah, that's right. Right. You pull that one. That's it. There you go.
Right there.
You broke it. Okay, so we've arrived here in one piece, thanks to Laura. Well done, Laura. First time in a 1957 wagon. Done really well, double clutch on it and all that jazz, so she picked it up great. We're here at a not so secret location. Delighted to announce Southface Breweries here in Methven. Methven's own beer, first time ever. We're stoked to be super involved with these guys. Chard Castle, director, owner, brewer. Tell us the story.
Started off as a drunken chat with my business partner really, a couple of years ago. Been both brewing for about 7 years and then got into the Williams warm side of things and then had a chat about opening a commercial brewery. Mrs. went away to the UK in April last year and then built a wall in the garage, put a brewery in.
It's the only way to do it. It's the only way to get away with it.
She came back, we were pretty happy and stoked about it. So then we were making a lot of beer over the last few months. And then got all the licenses sorted out in July this year and started kicking us around to a few people for product testing.
Yeah, well, we're happy to face it, there's no problem there. This brings us to our Ōpuke Beer and Food Truck nights and weekends. The guys have come on board with us and we're just so delighted to be able to serve Methven's own beer in Methven. So yeah, this Friday and Saturday coming, make it sure for them. We've got another one in late October, don't we, Laura? Yeah, yep, and then one in December. So listen, I'm not going to hold you guys up. I'm going to head in here to the brewery and get a taste of something. Right. So Shard, this is a Pilsner, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay, something tasty is
Yeah, this is called something tasty or tasty as.
Tasty as. I like the tasty as, but I'm going to tasty as it now, man. Oh, that's good. That's really good. Pretty quaffable as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's that? 5%?
Yeah, that is 5%.
Right.
So we're trying to aim to get most of our beers around the 5% at the moment.
Yeah.
And then keeping around there until we kind of move into the more speciality side of things.
Sure.
We might go some higher ones, we might go some lower ones.
Sure. Yeah.
But we like drinking the 5%.
Yeah, I reckon it's right on the mark, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so tasty as. Try that, Laura. Good?
Really good.
Yeah. It's nice, isn't it? Really clean, fresh. Can you talk me through the whole process of what it takes to start to finish?
So start to finish, we will mill our own grain.
Yeah.
Contracts of grain that comes in, we'll mill it to a certain size. We'll go through our grain father process to create the malt, and then we'll transfer it into our fermenting kegs, which are behind you, which are the 50 litres, or we've got the 12s and the 10s.
Oh yeah. Wow.
And then they'll sit in there for anywhere from 10 to 15 days, and then depending on whether we dry hop at the end as well, we'll leave it for longer to get more flavour out of the hops we put in on
some of our recipe sheets.
Yeah.
And we're still playing around with some others as well. We've got our bog standard recipes that we're doing at the moment
Sure.
that we think we've done pretty well.
Yeah.
To our liking so
Yeah.
far.
Well, I like
And,
it too. It's awesome.
and we've got some others that we're working on, changing the flavours.
So from this neck of the woods, how does it get into the beef?
So we'll ferment it in there,
Yeah.
go through its fermenting process, we check the levels of the gas and make sure there's no activity from the yeast left over, and then we do a process called crash cooling, which is when it'll go into the cold fridge, which is about 1 degree. And then we crash cool it. Depending on what beer we're making, we'll either add a clarification agent or we'll just let it drop out itself naturally.
Right.
Yeah.
It's quite a process, isn't it?
Yeah, it is quite a process, and it's something that my business partner Shebeen and I, or Adam Preston and I, are quite passionate about and really enjoy doing.
Yeah.
Everything's still a learning curve,
Of course.
for some stuff, especially the new recipes we're making.
Sure.
But yeah, we've worked hard on the ones we've got that we're happy to pass on to the public and
Yes.
the new guys.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
But yeah, we spent a long time product testing.
Well, you can put me down for 2 cakes straight away. I'm going to throw them in the truck now. Okay, so that's it. Friday night. See you there. Hopefully Saturday as well. Keep liking, keep subscribing, and we'll see you in the next Re-Rob video.
Enjoy our beer.